Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining. In today's webinar, we're excited to share more about our flagship product, Adonis Intelligence. My name is Kendra Perez, and I am on the partnerships team here at Adonis, and I'm joined by Josh Biles, our dental billing manager, and Simon Joe, our customer success manager. Before we dive in, I do want to remind everyone that we'll be sharing a recording of this webinar after the session and are happy to answer any questions that arise. Today, we will be discussing some of the largest challenges facing DSOs and diving into some of the ways Adonis is solving for those challenges for our dental customers. And with that said, I'll pass it on to Josh to talk through some of the challenges we've heard and seen with our DSO customers.
Thanks, Kendra. One of the first challenges that we have is with outdated billing systems as well as practice management systems. We frequently hear about medical billing technology and practice management systems being outdated, even stuck in the Stone Ages. But unfortunately, dental billing technology is even more behind. Existing systems and tools have not only outdated user interfaces and are cumbersome to use, they require users to still have to perform many workflows manually. Another challenge that we see is limited reporting. Billing managers often need to sift through disparate systems to consolidate and analyze the data in spreadsheets due to insufficient reporting capabilities offered by practice management systems. As a result, it is difficult for leaders to drill down into different practice locations and understand how different teams are performing against organization-wide KPIs. We've also heard from many dental RCM leaders that the reporting offered by existing systems are often inconsistent, populating different numbers when run, and also lack customizability as each practice has their own unique reporting needs. Challenge number 3 is eligibility verification. While verifying patient eligibility is critical to ensuring accurate and timely reimbursement for services, this is often one of the most manual, challenging, and time-consuming processes within RCM. Dental insurance plans vary widely in terms of coverage for different procedures, frequency limitations, and maximum benefit amounts, necessitating a focus on details and accuracy when verifying benefits. Further, patients coming in for same-day appointments and surgeries often face delays in care, or patients still receive care, but providers are unable to ensure that the services they provide are covered under the patient's plan. Another challenge that we see is that payers return non-standard denial codes. Oftentimes, dental payers will not use the standard CARC and RAC codes and instead will return non-standard denial codes on their claim remittances. This leads to confusion and delays when addressing denials, as RCM team members need to spend extra time deciphering what these denials mean. And then the last challenge that we have here is manual assignment of AR workflows. Most DSOs that we partner with and spoke to operate across 20 to 100 locations nationwide. This results in data coming from disparate systems and decentralized AR workflows, where billing managers rely on spreadsheets to manage and assign AR workflows to their team members. Even after a claim has been followed up on or appealed, team members find themselves needing to track the statuses of the claims in spreadsheets, leading to more manual work. Next, I will pass it on to Simon to share how our products are helping solve some of the challenges we just covered.
Thanks, Josh. Happy to talk through how some of our solutions may address some of these challenges you just outlined. First, with intelligence, Adonis Intelligence addresses many of the resource and time-intensive challenges you just outlined, such as providing robust reporting and real-time insights to enable proactive denials and also AR management. For instance, Adonis Intel immediately alerts your team if claims are getting denied due to the lack of detail, coding error, or a change in payer rule, along with other pressing denials and trends. Simultaneously, machine learning identifies the root cause issue of the denial and flags any other claims that might be impacted by that same issue to mitigate denials from occurring in the first place. Further, Adonis Intel also automates AR workflow assignments through smart work lists, helping teams prioritize workflows with the highest value opportunities. And with dental eligibility, understanding and verifying dental eligibility and benefits is especially difficult, seeing as they vary widely in terms of coverage for different procedures, frequency limitations, and many more, requiring great attention of detail. Adonis's eligibility and benefits verification solution verifies a patient's insurance coverage in real time, identifies any co-payments or deductibles, and ensures that the services being rendered are covered under the patient plan to prevent any surprise bills. Adonis is also able to verify benefits for patients that come in for same-day appointments or surgeries, mitigate any delays to patient care as well.
Thanks, Simon. That's super helpful. Next, could you share any customer anecdotes on how our solutions have helped the DSO customers solve their biggest challenges?
Yeah, absolutely, Kendra. In our experience servicing dental service organizations, we recognize a few common threads among our customers and ultimately why they choose to partner with Adonis for their end-to-end eligibility solution. In most cases, DSOs employ offshore teams or place the burden on their front desk staff to verify patient eligibility. As you can imagine, not only is that a manual and time-consuming workflow to have to retrieve the information via payer portals, or in some instances, calling the payers directly, it takes away the ability for clinics and providers to retrieve eligibility in real time for same-day appointments ahead of the appointment date. With the Adonis solution, they are able to retrieve detailed patient benefits and coverage for any given patient at a moment's notice in real time. Another pain point we have noticed with DSOs is their inability to automate eligibility entries into their practice management software, such as Denticon, EagleSoft, and Dentrix. Not only does our direct integration with these PMS environments offer automated and expedited data updates, it also removes any room for human error during the process, ensuring cleanliness of the data. Lastly, we have seen DSOs often having limited intelligence and visibility into the impact eligibility verification has on their revenue operations. At Adonis, we empower our customers with real-time reports, robust dashboards, and also actionable alerts to offer full-time visibility into the customer's performance and revenue metrics. Customers ultimately choose Adonis's eligibility solution because of our expansive payer coverage through our API automation, direct integration with their PMS environment, robust reporting, as well as cost effectiveness of our solution and our ability to scale alongside their growth.
Thank you for sharing that story, Simon, and thank you to everyone who joined our session today. We'll be following up with a recording of the session shortly, and if you had any questions that we didn't have time to answer, we'll be sure to follow up with those as well. If you're interested in learning more about Adonis, visit adonis.io or email us at sales@adonis.io. See you next time.